It is often convenient to store problem directory data for future use, transfer to another computer, or backup to external media. OptiLayer Pro allows users to create an archive backup copy of any problem directory. Once created, an archive can be used to restore saved data at any time. Backup. To make a backup of a project in OptiLayer Pro, follow these steps. Select the project in the list box labeled Projects. In the Directories list box on the right side of the dialog window, choose the destination disk drive and directory where the backup file will be created. OptiLayer Pro will generate a backup file with the project's name and a .zip extension. Press the backup button to complete the process. Restore. To restore previously saved data, select the appropriate drive and directory in the files, *.zip frame. All archive.zip files are listed at the bottom of the frame. Choose the file you wish to restore. Press the Restore button to restore the problem directory. If you want to restore a legacy OptiLayer project, follow the backup steps in Legacy OptiLayer. Then open New OptiLayer, select the legacy project, and follow the Restore steps.